Have you shot panoramas that came out distorted? Here are some tips on creating a panorama that doesn't look like it came out of a fishbowl. We can't cover editing software in 2 minutes, but after watching this video, you should be able to go out and shoot pictures for your next panorama. The first thing you need to do is select your location. The view should be unobstructed, and don't pick a windy day. Just forget about it if it's windy. Once you find your spot, set up and level your tripod. Not the tripod head, the tripod itself. If you don't have a level on your tripod, you can purchase one inexpensively or simply do the very best you can. Next, level your tripod head. Now for your camera, we recommend that you use a 50mm lens or longer to avoid distortion. Place your camera on the tripod head and position it vertically. By positioning your camera vertically as opposed to horizontally, you will get a much taller image and more room to crop in post-processing. Now, level your camera. You should be able to sweep your camera from side to side and have it remain completely level. You've just completed the hardest part. Now for the technical stuff. Shoot in RAW and put your camera in manual mode so that your settings don't change from one side of the image to the other. Also, use a remote shutter release or your 2-second timer. We recommend that you start with these settings: the ISO of 100 and an aperture of f11. Use your camera's light meter to determine the best shutter speed. Focus on something about 1/3 of the way into your image, then switch over to manual focus so that your focus doesn't shift. Position your camera to take the first shot. Overlap each shot by at least 1/3. You can do this by using the markings on your tripod or making a visual note of specific features in the right third of your frame, and make sure that they are also in the left third of your next frame. Take the rest of your images. Review your images before you pack up your gear. And that's it. Would you like to learn more about taking panoramas? Come into Horn Photo and ask our experts. Got the picture?